Hey friends, today I'm heading to Manila for a 2-day business trip and I want to show you exactly what I'm bringing with me. Let's start with the backpack. This is my Pacsafe backpack. I bought it about 5 years ago in Hong Kong. It's anti-theft, it has a steel wire inside, so it's not easy to cut or snatch. Now let's go through what I'm packing. First, this document. I need to sign it at the Russian Consulate in Manila, and that's actually the main reason for this trip. In this pocket, I keep my DJI Pocket 3 camera. I don't use the original case, it's compact enough to fit perfectly in this small compartment. On the side, I have a 10,000 mAh Anker power bank, a USB-C cable, and this small fingerprint lock. I bought it in China about 15 years ago, and it still works perfectly, very useful. Also, tissues and hand cream. Now this is one of my favorite items, the Peak Design Tech Pouch. You can check the full list of everything in the description. Inside, I carry multiple power banks, one that can charge my Apple Watch and phone, another one for my DJI Pocket 3, and a smaller 5000 mAh power bank for quick charges. I also have a Remax power bank, very compact and convenient. Plus a charger for my Samsung Galaxy Watch. This is my Anker wall charger, small but powerful. And here is my DJI Mic Mini with the charging case. I also keep small essentials here, a comb, a dental kit, wipes for cleaning glasses or screens, a small notebook and a pen. And in another pocket, an Apple AirTag. This pouch is super convenient. I usually just move it between bags depending on the trip. Now for clothing. This is my Peak Design compression packing cube. It allows me to pack more while keeping everything tight and organized. Since I'm traveling for only 2 days, I'm bringing just one extra t-shirt. I'll be wearing a long sleeve short and I have a short sleeve one packed. And of course a hoodie. Buses can be cold and malls are always heavily air conditioned, so this is a must. This compression cube fits tightly in the backpack. It's a bit snug, but it works. In the future, I'm planning to upgrade to a larger backpack, probably a Tumi navigation, which I'll get in Hong Kong. Also, I added this sweat pad on the back of the backpack because it doesn't have proper ventilation. This makes it much more comfortable. And this strap here is for attaching the hoodie outside the bag. Now let's move to my everyday shoulder bag. I usually leave the backpack at the hotel and carry this one with me. Here I have my foldable glasses, very compact and convenient. In this pocket I keep my wallet with coins. Larger bills I always hide separately. I never keep all my money in one place. In the outer pocket I carry my Samsung flip phone. I also have some small means. I actually bought this in Thailand. Couldn't find them in Philippines. Very compact and useful. Inside the main compartment, I have a phone stand, a face mask. I usually wear it on buses because it can get really cold, and a cap. This is a magnetic mount and a small tripod for my DJI camera. The camera itself is usually with me, ready to shoot at any moment. It's perfect for quick travel videos. I also carry an iPhone. Sometimes I bring a Pro model, but for this trip I chose a lighter one. It's thinner and modern enough for what I need. I always separate my cards and money between different bags, never keep everything in one place. Here I also have my AirPods Pro, very comfortable. A small perfume spray and a USB-C cable. Everything is compact and lightweight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.